Hey guys, it's me again. Okay, so I gotta be a little louder. So I'm at the Hearth and Kettle, and this is an electric lemonade. That's what it's called. I also ordered the tuna melt with mashed potatoes to die for. My mother over there had chicken pot pie. She ate it and potatoes. She ate it all. And so yes, there she is taking a sip of water. Say hi again. Well, the point is, this food was very good.
Yeah, it's a safe bet. Very safe bet.
Yeah.
Are you all finished?
Oh, I'm gonna eat the potato.
Oh, I didn't even
Oh,
see
and this
those
is our
so
lovely waiter.
Justin, hi.
Yep. And yes, so it's an electric lemonade. Because I have an electric personality. I'm just kidding. Alright, bye guys. Thanks for watching.